Hi guys, this is Yanis, CEO of Miraxess, and in these days of quarantine I'm going to present you my home DeX setup. Let's go! For those who don't know Samsung DeX, it is best described as an Android PC mode to let you transform your smartphone into a true computer. The DeX station is a powerful docking accessory as it is central at home. Connected to my TV and a Bluetooth keyboard, I can display my Samsung Note 9 to watch my Netflix series or play video games. But the desktop experience Samsung provides is more than a gadget solution. It is a true productivity enabler. I can work on very basic tools like Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, or even WhatsApp. But when I need more, I can count on cloud computing. Using Shadow VDI, I can run powerful Windows 10 PC in the cloud and remotely control it. Like I said, cloud computing offers the opportunity to use a very powerful computer over your internet connection. Playing very demanding video games or softwares is not a problem anymore. Remember, it's all based on my phone. Then for mobility comes the Mirabook. By turning my smartphone into a full-fledged laptop, I'm able to be productive anywhere, anytime. I usually use the Mirabook when I'm traveling, in the train, in the plane, or at the hotel. For me, it is really convenient because it charges my phone battery at the same time I use it. I also like to have the possibility to use the phone as a side screen. When you want to turn the music on, discuss on WhatsApp or do side research, it is very practical. At your office or teleworking, it is now possible to work anywhere with just a Samsung phone. The Mirabook is a 13-inch lapdock, and as its creator, I'm very proud to say it's the best DeX companion. Sometimes you need a bigger touchscreen for your phone. That's why the Miraxess pad is here. This 15-inch touchscreen is useful to watch video tutorials and interact with educational content. I use it mainly when I cook or try to learn guitar. The purpose of this video was to show you that it is now possible to replace every PC you have by your Samsung phone for work or entertainment. And if you're not convinced yet, well, I have made this entire video using my Mirabook and my Samsung phone's camera. Thanks for watching. If you had a great time, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. If you have any questions regarding my setup, feel free to ask and to share yours. Until next time, take care.